back to my channel. It's Jada Renee here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how to develop a business plan. If you're new here, hi, my name is Jada, and I really would love if you join the fam. So don't forget to click that subscribe button if you enjoyed this video. Also, give me a thumbs up, and I really hope everyone has been doing great and has been enjoying the new year. Let's go ahead and get straight into the video. So you had this great idea to start a business. You want to be an entrepreneur. You want to be a CEO. You want to be a boss. Okay. Alright, this is what we got to do first. You got to get a business plan. We got to know how and what we're going to be doing. What are we going to be selling? The first step in developing a business plan, what do you want to sell and why? This is the first one because it's so important. What is something that you love? What is something that people notice about you? What is something that you would be a great advocate for your business? For example, Miss De'Ara Taylor. I love De'Ara. I've been watching her since she started. Recently, she came out with a shade business, eyeglassware. This was the best idea for her. She's already a fashion icon, what we like to call her, but what she's really known for is like how she makes a statement out of her outfit. Every time she has on an outfit, she wears shades. And she always has this famous quote is like, the outfit is complete without the shades or something like that. She is a great advocate for her business because she has always loved sunglasses, and so now she's selling. This was perfect for her because it's not something that she had to get into. This isn't something she had to find a passion about. She already had it. You want to make sure that you're selling something that you actually love, something that you actually use, something that's actually important to you, something people know you for. For example, you always got your hair done. Okay, your hair is always cute. Maybe you should sell hair. Everybody knows that you always wear good quality hair. You always keep your nails done. Sell press-on nails. You want to make sure that you're selling something that you actually already have a passion for. The next thing that you need to know in your business plan, any business owner needs to know, you're selling a solution. Another example, everybody loves and raves about Skims, Kim Kardashian's brand. The thing is with her brand is it's lounge shapewear. So she's selling shape to make other girls' body look amazing. You see the point? She's selling a solution. I'm not mad at it. It's a good idea. And honestly, everybody does this. Everybody sells something to someone that can help them fix something. You're selling a solution. So the next thing that you're gonna need, you need to make sure that you have everything required for the business. You need to make sure that you have the proper licenses, permits, anything that you need to sell in your state. And all you have to do is Google this. Depending on what type of business that you actually have or what you're selling. So for example, I know if you're doing like a real estate business, you're gonna need another type of permit. I forgot exactly what it's called for like the people that are doing Airbnb. A lot of states, cities are actually requiring you to have a certain type of permit to have Airbnbs and things like that. So you wanna make sure that you look into detail about that and go ahead and get that, girl, because you don't need nobody checking for you. So make sure you have that before you come with every other thing else. Make sure you have that. And then the next thing that you want to figure out is, where are you gonna sell? Are you gonna sell everything online? Are you gonna do in person? Are you gonna do both? You don't want everything all over the place. You gotta keep everything organized. Everything has to be organized. You need to have a plan. You know you're gonna need a website to whether sell online or sell in person. Get a website. Make sure that your website is set to do pickup orders if you're selling in person, or if you're only selling online, make sure you have it to where it's online only. You only do shipping. But I know on Shopify does have it to where you can do both, because I do pop-up shops, and so Shopify does allow you to do both, and it helps you also keep track of your inventory whenever you're doing both as well. So you want to make sure you know exactly where you're going to be selling things at. The next thing that you want to come up with is, who is your target audience? I know y'all probably hear this all the time, but it's so true. You can't sell hair bundles at a tire shop. Mostly men are at tire shops. They don't want to buy weave. You want to make sure you know your target audience. Where are they at? What platform are they using? What hashtags do I need to reach this audience? So you want to learn who your audience is. Example, De'Ara's brand. She knows most of the time the people that are buying her glasses are people that are into fashion. So where are they at? They're on Instagram. They're on TikTok. Y'all see them all the time. I know y'all see them all the time. So she's promoting her products where her audience is. You're selling body care products. You're most likely looking for people that are very feminine, as you like to call it, or have skin problems. They may have acne, hyperpigmentation. If you're selling clothes, apparel, okay? So you're selling to people that are into fashion, that are into style. You're selling hair, okay? So you're selling to people that love to keep their hair down. You're selling tumblers, Starbucks cups that are decorated with rhinestone, okay? So you're selling to people that love going to Starbucks, that love having cute drinks. You want to know who your audience is so that way you can head straight towards them and be like, hey, I got this for you. So that way you're reaching out to the people that you need to get to and not wasting your time, not wasting your money, making sure that you are landing on people's pages that are into what you're selling. Now we can get into the fun stuff. What's your business name? You know, that's the most fun part, like creating the logo and the colors and the branding. This is the time to do that. Now we've taken care of the big important stuff, but now let's figure out your business name. You can Google business names. You're into like skincare, Google cute skincare names. Or if you want your real name to be attached to your business, come up with that. Do anything, make sure it sticks out to you. Make sure it's important to you. Make sure it means something to you. So come up with your business name, get you a logo created. You can reach out to people to create your logo. You can reach out to people on Fiverr.com, and I'll have that link below. These people make logos, they make graphic designs, they create websites as well, branding, anything you need. Come up with a theme for your branding. Branding is so important. You want to make sure you keep fonts attached to your business, the same fonts. For example, if you want a girly business, Pretty Girl Cosmetics, I think that's someone's business already. So obviously their business is going to be very pretty, very glamorous. That's going to be their branding. I've also seen some other businesses like Shop Stunner Shades. She kind of has like a, I guess you would call it like a retro vibe. Love that. There are other businesses that I follow. I know one that has like a really cute, clean aesthetic, clean branding. And every time I see their photos, I don't even have to know who posted it. I know it came exactly from them because their branding is on point. Make sure you get down your branding, your colors, your fonts, all of that. Even Dear's brand, she has like a cool kind of, it's not retro. I don't know. I guess it may be retro. I don't know how to describe her branding, but every time it's on theme. Like all of her photos, everything, it goes together. It's all in sync. You can actually get graphic designers to help you with this. They will help you build all of this and make sure everything just looks good. You got the money for it, go ahead and spill the coins because it's actually going to be a good investment. You're also going to need to configure a marketing strategy. Where are you going to promote your products? What social media platform? Obviously, it has to be a social media platform in today's age. Not many people are standing on the side of the road selling things. We are in a new era of technology. People are on their phones all the time. The biggest platforms that I would recommend you to use is of course TikTok, Pinterest, and Instagram. TikTok, everybody's going viral off TikTok. Like, it just takes one video. It took one video for me. One video that I didn't even expect. Took one video, blew up. So definitely use TikTok, Pinterest as well. Pinterest gives like a different social media vibe. Definitely create a Pinterest account, get your Shopify business linked to your Pinterest account, start promoting so you can start selling. And lastly, we made it all the way to the bottom of the business plan. What are your business goals? What are your 5-year business goals? You can do 3 years, you can do 1 year. What are your goals? How many orders are you trying to reach? How many email subscribers are you trying to reach? What are you looking to reach at the end of the year? Write down what business goals that you want. Maybe you want to reach 1,000 orders by the end of the year. Definitely possible. That is definitely possible. Write it down, put it on a sticky note, put it on your office desk, in front of your computer, on the wall. Put it somewhere. Look at that goal every day and get to it. Now you've made your business plan, you're ready to get the ball rolling. I'm sure there are other things that you may want to add into your business plan, which by all means, go ahead. The more detail, the better. I really do hope this video helped y'all, and I hope y'all enjoyed me teaching you how to develop a business plan. And I hope that you become so successful off your business and that you achieve everything that you want to achieve. Also, if you do need a mentor to help you get even further, or if you're still feeling a little bit lost, I do offer mentoring services, And all you have to do is email me at jadar39@gmail.com. And in the subject bar, all you gotta type in is mentoring. Reach out to me so that way we can get things rolling and I can help you reach your goals. Everyone needs a mentor. I have a mentor and I'm really looking to help y'all. And I really would love to see everyone make it. So with that being said, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe for more content. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye.